Hi, boys and girls. It's story time, but today we do a book walk. We're going to look through the pictures in our new book, What Magnets Can Do. Isn't that exciting? I love magnets. They attract different objects because this is metal. Some objects they do not attract because they're not compatible, they're not metal. Let's look at our vocabulary words for the week. Ready? Here we go. The first vocabulary word is magnet. Magnet. Letter M. Attract. Attract. The magnet attracts different objects. Metal. Metal. Test. Test. And magnetic field. Magnetic field. Very good. Let's open up our book now, boys and girls, and look at the pages of the story, What Magnets Can Do. What do you see this child holding? Metal. Very good. He's holding metal. And what is it doing? The metal is, yes, it's picking up objects. You're right. There's a name for that, and we will find out more tomorrow what exactly it's called. This child is holding a pen. Very good. He's holding a pen, and that pen is doing what? It's being held by something else. A magnet. Very good. A magnet. These children are playing with magnets here, and they're attracting different objects, as you can see. You can go around the house and pick up objects that you might think that they're able to pick up and hold on to. You can also find magnets where? Right, sometimes mommy has them on the refrigerator, right on the door. And it holds messages, or it could hold a nice picture or homework from school. And on this side, you see that someone has put objects and a magnet, and they're doing a little test to see what, yes, you're right. They're doing a little test to see what it attracts. Again, here's another magnet. And what are these? Shapes. Very good. Shapes. And they're also testing to see what it can attract. This is a big magnet here, boys and girls. Do you know what this is called? The shape? We will find out tomorrow when we read, right? Oh, I think I heard somebody say it. Very good. This child is wearing what do you think he's wearing? Do you think he's wearing a belt, or is just putting magnets together? I don't know. That's a good question. I think we will know tomorrow as we read. Here it is again. He's putting these two metal pieces together to see if they will, yes, attract each other. How about these two little girls? What are they doing? Looks like they're having some fun and they're making tests. Yes, making a test. Putting things together. What is this? Where do you think that person is in? Do you know? There's a lot of instruments there. You might be right. But we will find out for sure tomorrow, because this has a name, and we will name it tomorrow when we read the words. This is another instrument that tells us where we are going, and it also has a name. Very good. There's some things that you might find out in Dad's garage that might attract. Do you know what the name of this is? You might not, because this is something that Dad has. And boys and girls, this is a place too where we put lots of metal that's not being used anymore, old cars and different things. And we will learn the name of this place tomorrow when we read the story. This little girl here, what is she doing? Oh, I heard you. She's watching TV. What does she have in her hand? A what? A remote. Very good. Somebody said a remote. And that remote is helping her to do what? Change the channels. And we'll read about that tomorrow here, because there is something interesting about that. This little girl is stringing, what are they? Clips. And those clips, she's putting them together, and she's holding on to something. What might it be? Do you know? If you don't, we will know tomorrow as we read along. These are all the pages, boys and girls, to remind you of what you've seen so far. And tomorrow when we read the story, we will know more, right? We will have more information about magnets. Thank you for being such good listeners. Have fun. See you tomorrow. Bye.